Hi everyone, welcome to EVA session. In previous classes, we have discussed that man-made things and natural things. So, the man-made things and natural things are given in the page number 139. So, there in the picture, they shown that the man-made things and natural things. The man-made things are the table, chair, pen, pencil, book, bus, and road, dam, bridges, buildings. They are the man-made things. Natural things is that given by God gifted, that is sky, land, water, tree, plants, birds. They shown on the picture in 139. So just you read out, okay? And once again I repeat the exercise. Fill in the blanks, choose from the words given below. The earth is dash in shape. It is cool on the dash. A dash is man-made. A dash covers more than half the earth and dash are smaller than mountains. They given in the picture on the bracket, that is mountain, water, round, bridge, hills. The earth is round in shape. It is cool on the mountain. A dash is man-made. A dash covers more than half the earth. Water covers more than half the earth. Hills are smaller than mountains. So, turn the page 140. Sing along. I am glad the sky is painted blue and the earth is painted green with such a lot of nice fresh air, all sandwiched in between. Yes, repeat once again. I am glad the sky is painted blue and the earth is painted green with such a lot of nice fresh air, all sandwiched in between. The earth is surrounded by air. We breathe this air. If we breathe pure air, we will be healthy. We must keep the air clean. I repeat, I am glad the sky is painted blue and the earth is painted green with such a lot of nice fresh air, all sandwiched in between. The earth is surrounded by air. We breathe this air. If we breathe pure air, we will be healthy. We must keep the air clean. They show given in the 140 page number. And 140 page number, they shown that picture how the factory air are in the blowing on the air, mixing with the air, and vehicle smoke that is given. See there shown in the picture that in car and side light side the burning the all dumping wastes, all factory wastes, they are mixed with the air. So how does the air get impure? The when the dumping waste or factory waste or vehicle smoke, they all get together in the air, then only after it will mixed, then the mixed air will get impure. Understood? They shown clearly the picture 140. Just check out the picture, just see the picture, the air how it mixing in on the pure air, after it will get impure. How it is? By factory wastes, that air, dumping waste, that smoke, vehicle smoke, if it is cracker smoke, so all the smoke will get together, then only air gets impure. So this all we have to avoid, then we will get a fresh air, and we get fresh air, we have to planting the more and more trees, and we have to plant, save the plants, then we get the fresh air. Understood? Yes, these answers I will provide on WhatsApp group. Next, come to class discussion. Mention the different way in which you can keep the air clean. Also discuss what you can do to maintain the quality of air and where you live. Already we discussed this question in the our basic needs in air topic, how we have to control the air pollution and how we have to protect the air. So this all the 7 ways we are discussed. It let it be, but still we have discussed these ways. Understood? Just please read out this topic, we will tomorrow I will discuss, and just sing along and just read out the 39, 38 page number, and even also 140. Then tomorrow in class discussion this will discuss. Okay? Yes. Bye. Have a good day.